Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a passcode. That prevents permission errors. Next, open Settings and go straight to System or Control Panel, then Date and Time. Once there, disable automatic time synchronization so you can set values manually. Make sure to note the current time zone listed. If it's wrong, change it first. Doing these steps now avoids conflicting updates and ensures your manual date and time will stick without being immediately overwritten. Now you'll enter the actual values. Click the date to pick a day from the calendar, then type or spin the hour and minute until the clock matches. Once done, change the time zone explicitly. This matters more than the numeric clock because offsets affect scheduled tasks and logs. Make sure AM/PM is correct or switch to 24-hour format if required. Finally, review daylight saving options so your time won't jump unexpectedly when DST transitions occur. To finish, save or apply the changes and restart the device or the system time service if the interface requests it. That forces all services to pick up the new setting. Then verify key apps, scheduled tasks, authentication tokens, and certificates work correctly because they rely on accurate time. If the time reverts later, check NTP servers, automatic sync toggles, and whether network policies prevent manual overrides. Adjust those or contact your administrator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.